Growing your own strawberries is a real treat. Imagine stepping into your garden and seeing bright red berries waiting just for you. Homegrown strawberries taste far better than shop-bought ones, fresh, sweet, and full of sunshine. Picking and eating them straight from the plant is a simple pleasure. You don't need a big garden, just a pot on a balcony will do. Anyone can try growing these lovely fruits. The taste of a strawberry you've grown yourself is truly special, a taste of summer and your own hard work. So why not give it a go this year? Let's get started. Before planting, let's get our tools ready. You don't need anything fancy, just a trowel for digging, a watering can or hose, gloves, and maybe some plant labels. Decide where your strawberries will live, in the ground, pots, or hanging baskets. Strawberry pots with side holes and hanging baskets are perfect for small spaces. Make sure your containers have drainage holes to prevent soggy roots. Choose what suits your space best. Use good compost. Peat-free multi-purpose is ideal. If using garden soil, mix in well-rotted manure for extra nutrients. Strawberries love rich, fertile soil. You might also want some straw to keep fruit clean and dry later. Good preparation makes for happy plants. Now, get your strawberry plants. You can buy young plants in pots or bare root runners from a garden center. There are many types, some fruit early, others later, and some all summer long. Pick a variety you like and one that suits your climate. With just a few simple tools and the right spot, you're ready to start. Preparation is key to a great harvest. Gather your supplies and let's move on to the next step. The right tools make gardening easier and more enjoyable. Soon, you'll be planting your first strawberries. Remember, a little planning goes a long way. Choose healthy plants for the best results. With everything ready, you're set for berry success. Let's get planting. Your strawberry adventure is about to begin. Happy gardening! Strawberries love sunshine, at least 6 hours a day. More sun means sweeter fruit, so pick the sunniest spot you can. Good drainage is just as important. Soggy soil can rot their roots. Improve heavy soil with organic matter, or use raised beds and pots with drainage holes. Shelter from strong winds, but keep air flowing and don't block the sun. The right spot sets your strawberries up for success and a bigger, tastier harvest. Preparing your soil or pots is crucial for healthy strawberries. For garden beds, start by removing all weeds and digging over the soil to loosen it. Break up large clumps and level the surface for even growth. Add plenty of organic matter. Well-rotted manure or compost works best. Mix it in well to boost nutrients and improve soil structure. Rich, fertile soil helps strawberries thrive. If you're using pots, choose ones at least 15 centimeters deep with good drainage holes. Add a layer of gravel at the bottom for extra drainage. Fill pots with quality peat-free compost, leaving space at the top for watering. For hanging baskets, line them with moss or a special liner and fill with compost. Consider mixing in water-retaining gel to keep the soil moist. Hanging baskets dry out quickly, especially in sunny spots. Plant strawberries around the sides for a beautiful tumbling display. Good preparation now means less trouble later. Healthy soil equals healthy plants and better fruit. Take your time to get this step right. Whether in beds, pots, or baskets, your strawberries will thank you. A little effort now pays off at harvest time. Make sure everything is ready before you plant. Double-check drainage and soil quality. Your plants need the best foundation to grow strong. With beds and pots prepared, you're ready to plant. Let's move on to getting your strawberries in the ground. The groundwork is done, now for the fun part. Your future harvest starts here. Let's get planting. Now for the exciting part, planting your strawberries. The best time to plant is spring or autumn. For pot-grown plants, gently remove them and tease out the roots if needed. Soak bare root runners in water for an hour before planting. Handle plants carefully by the leaves or root ball to avoid damaging roots. Dig a hole wide enough for the roots to spread and deep enough so the crown sits at soil level. Don't bury the crown. It can rot if too deep or dry out if too shallow. Place the plant in the hole. Fill in soil around the roots and firm gently. Space plants 30 to 45 centimeters apart. Leave 60 centimeters between rows. Good spacing helps with airflow and healthy growth. Water your new strawberries well to settle the soil. Water gently at the base, avoiding the leaves. Bare root runners may look sad at first, but they'll perk up soon. Give them time to establish. Your strawberry planting is now complete. Well done on this important step. With the right start, your plants will thrive. Keep an eye on them as they settle in. Proper planting leads to a great harvest. You're on your way to homegrown berries. Enjoy watching your plants grow. The hard part is done. Now let nature do its work. Soon, you'll see the first signs of new growth. Get ready for a delicious reward. Watering is key for juicy strawberries. Check soil moisture daily. If it's dry an inch down, it's time to water. Water thoroughly at the base, preferably in the morning. Pots and hanging baskets dry out faster, so check them more often. When plants start flowering, feed them with a liquid tomato fertilizer rich in potash. Feed every week or two during fruiting, but don't overdo it. A little feed goes a long way for big, tasty berries. Keep an eye on your plants for pests or diseases. Remove any dead or yellowing leaves to keep plants healthy. Cut off early runners if you want more fruit. This helps the main plant focus on berries. As fruits develop, place straw or a mat under the plants to keep berries clean and dry. This also helps prevent slugs, snails, and fruit rot. Daily attention makes a big difference. Protect your crop with simple steps. Your berries will be much nicer to eat. Traditional methods like straw mulch really work. Soon, you'll be enjoying your harvest. Consistent care leads to the best results. Healthy plants mean more and better fruit. Make watering and feeding part of your routine. Watch for changes and act quickly if problems appear. Your efforts will be rewarded with delicious strawberries. Keep up the good work. Harvest time is just around the corner. Birds and pests love strawberries as much as we do, so protect your ripening fruit. Use netting over your plants supported by canes or a frame to keep birds out. Check netting regularly to ensure it's secure and safe for wildlife. Slugs and snails can also be a problem. Pick them off at night, use beer traps, or try organic pellets. Barriers like copper tape around pots and straw mulch help deter pests. Keep the area clean to reduce hiding places for slugs and snails. Protecting your fruit is worth the effort. Pick strawberries when they're fully red, firm, and fragrant. Gently pull or snip the berry, leaving a bit of stem attached for longer freshness. Pick regularly to encourage more fruit. The best time to pick is on a dry morning when berries are at their freshest. Handle berries gently, they bruise easily. Place them in a shallow container, don't pile them up. Eat your strawberries as soon as possible for the best taste. Homegrown berries are fresher and tastier than shop-bought ones. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Regular picking keeps plants productive. Share your harvest with friends and family. There's nothing like the taste of a sun-warmed berry. Protect, pick, and enjoy. Simple steps for a great crop. Your hard work is about to pay off. Savor every bite of your homegrown strawberries. The harvest is the best part of growing your own. Celebrate your success. You've earned it. Happy picking! After fruiting, it's time to tidy up your strawberry plants. In late summer, remove old netting and straw mulch. Cut back old leaves to about 5 centimeters from the crown, being careful not to damage it. This helps prevent pests and encourages fresh growth for next year. After tidying, feed your plants with a general-purpose fertilizer to build strength for winter. Water well and keep the area weed-free. Strawberry plants are productive for about 3 years. Replace older plants for best results. Many plants produce runners, long stems with baby plants at the end. Peg healthy runners into pots of compost to root new plants. Once rooted, cut them from the parent and use them to expand or refresh your patch. It's an easy way to get more strawberries for free. Regular care ensures a great crop year after year. We've covered everything from choosing a spot to picking fruit. Growing your own strawberries is rewarding and fun. The taste of fresh, homegrown berries is unbeatable. I hope you feel inspired to give it a try. Anyone can enjoy this simple joy. Happy strawberry growing to you all. Enjoy every delicious mouthful of your success. Keep learning and improving each season. Share your knowledge and berries with others. Your garden will thank you. Here's to many more fruitful harvests. Until next time, happy gardening. See you in the strawberry patch.